Just when we thought it was spring, the snow is back, and this storm could pack a punch with well over a foot of snow expected in spots, already disrupting travel, closing businesses, and canceling schools across the state. As always, our team has you covered. News Center Maine's Ann Baldrige is live in Gray tonight where flakes are flying. But first, let's get to meteorologist Dana Osgood, who is out on the weather deck and has been tracking that rain-snow line very carefully tonight. Dana?
Hi, Zach. I'm out on the weather deck right now, and as you can probably hear, it is very, very windy out here, and that's going to be a big ticket item with this storm, especially once we transition from rain into snow. Now, here in Portland, we did start as rain, but we've switched to kind of some mixed precipitation. I'm not sure how well you can hear the sleet kind of coming down, but we've started that transition into snow, and that will continue overnight. Now, very gusty winds out there, a lot of us gusting between 30 and almost 40 miles per hour, and this isn't even the highest wind gust that we're going to see. It's actually going to be tomorrow about midday when we'll be gusting up to 50 miles per hour. So this is what this storm looks like right now. We're kind of moving in with that first batch of precipitation. All snow inland, and then the immediate coastline started as rain, and we're starting to see some of that transitions right now. Most of the southern coast has switched over into snow at this time. Right now in Portland, it's kind of sleeting out here, and as the storm continues to move farther eastward, we're going to start seeing some more of that precipitation. Right now it's just starting to move into the Bangor area, so areas east of that are still going to be clear for about the next half an hour to hour or so, but this system is going to linger, so it is going to last over the next few days. Especially once we get into tomorrow, that snow is really going to persist. So we do have those winter storm warnings in effect for all of those areas shaded there in pink, and that's definitely going to be applicable throughout the day tomorrow because it's going to be very windy and snowing very hard throughout the entirety of the day. And I can already feel it out here because my fingers have already started to go numb. So Zach, I'll send things back to you, and hopefully I'll be able to go inside soon.
All right, Dana, thanks so much.